Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn Instagram business account private. If you're using a business account in Instagram and you want to turn your account private, so let's see how can you do that. So now to do that, you have to simply open your Instagram app. Here, just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner. Here you can see I have a business or a creator account. Now I'm going to switch or make it private. So now to do that, you have to simply tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. And here you just have to select the option of account privacy. So using this way you can easily make your account private, but just whenever I'm going to enable this, and here you can see you'll get an error that creator account or any business account can't be private. Now to fix this error you have a simple way. You just have to go back and select creator roles and controls, then select switch account type here, then select switch to personal account. Now tap on switch to personal account, and after that your account might be personal account. So and you cannot make private account or your business or on a creator account. If you want to make your account private, so very first you must have to switch it to a personal account. So tap on this personal account option and it will be switched into personal account. Just wait for almost 1 to 5 seconds here. Just refresh and refresh until your dashboard will be hidden. So you can see the dashboard has been hidden from here. Now you just have to try to relaunch your Instagram app. After relaunching, just open your profile option again, then tap on three horizontal lines again here. And here just look for account privacy option. Here's the account privacy option, select that, and you must have to enable this toggle to make your account private. Just tap on switch to private option here, and your account must be private. So in this way you can easily make your account private on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.